It's my pride and joy in my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. I designed my kitchen, and it's also the most expensive part of the whole renovation. That's where I think half of my renovation cost went to the kitchen.
Hey guys, before we begin, I just wanted to show you some pictures of the old kitchen. As you can tell from the pictures, the kitchen was in an odd shape, so we had a really hard time trying to figure out what's the best way for the kitchen layout and what's the best configuration to put all my appliances. So this is the final design that we come up with, and I'm pretty happy with the result. So over here you can see this is the plastering of the kitchen after we've removed all the wall tiles.
So initially there was a wall here that separated the kitchen from the service balcony, so we got approval to hack it down, but there's still a part of the beam up there that you see. But
here's another look at that wall before it was taken down.
So here I have my kitchen island. So this quartz top is from Lian. So I specifically wanted this one, this color, because I really like it. It looks so much like marble, but yeah, I have two stools, bar stools here. So sometimes I have breakfast in the morning or when I make a smoothie, and if I need additional space when I'm prepping my food, like this is really handy to have around. And there's also additional storage space here. So this is where I put my cutlery and I put my cups. So this is like where I put my coffee things. So my kettle, my Nutribullet, my lights, all the lights you see in my house are from Taobao. This is like the laundry area, and I have like other appliances here. So I have my microwave, my rice cooker, and my bread maker. And my toaster, I don't use it as often, so I put it here. So I've got some plants here just to give the space a bit more life. My microwave, my oven, and my stove are from Techno. Okay, so here I have my stove. So I have a 2-burner. What else? Oh yeah, for range food as well. Okay, so the theme of my kitchen is like grey with black. Yeah, because I didn't want a white kitchen. I thought it's a bit hard to maintain, and I didn't want a dark color because I don't get a lot of natural daylight here, so I thought like gray is a nice color. So over here I also have the dark blue wall that's the same shade as the one that's in the living room. So I have a lot of storage space, like a lot of cabinets, a lot of drawers. May I show you guys what's in my drawer? Starting from here. So initially we were gonna put the fridge here, but the fridge was so big and it made the kitchen look really cluttered. So we put our fridge into the living room. My Tapware, they're all from Kohler. And this one is black. I don't know, it's granite, some kind of stoneware. But it's really easy to maintain. And it comes with this, so it's very handy. And I think it looks cool, the black book over here. It's like the cleaning stuff. It has my dish rack, so it's quite convenient. And here I have my cooking tools. Some bowls that I use to prep food. Like my kitchen towel. That's not much. You can see like it's all quite empty. Like all this is quite empty. So over here I have my pots and pans. I don't have a lot, so I have like my favorite pot, my lettuce, which I brought back all over from like from Los Angeles. And guys, my pans are all from Scanpan. I believe investing in a good set of potting pans. Yeah, I think that's very important. All my sauces and seasoning, herbs. So this trolley drawer that you see over here, this system, I got it from Taobao as well. So I got my ID to put it in. And it's very convenient. So over here I have like my Western seasoning, and at the bottom rack is like my Asian sauces, yeah, fish sauce, lao gamma. Lao gamma is life changing. Everybody makes a photo of lao gamma. And yeah. So this one actually controls the range hood. And I've got like a lot of PowerPoints in the house. So yeah. Have attached, not me, my ID. So they've just put a strip of LED light here, which I think elevates the whole look. Yeah, and so over here I have some my pantry goodies. So I've got like beans, canned food, my jam, sardines, and my nut butter. Here. Like wine bottles, wine glass. So this is like my granola, cookies, more cookies and candies, chocolate, biscuits. Up there I have my spiralizer and yeah, more food here. So I put like my coffee and tea and oats here. We have my tea, matcha, more tea. This is like my noodles spot. So I have like all kinds of different noodles. Back to this spot, yeah, this is where like actually cleaning stuff. And I'll show you guys my storeroom. Just a quick look. So this is actually the storeroom, which is like the bomb shelter. It's pretty big. Okay, you guys have a look. We'll just climb up. Hey guys, so this is my guest bathroom. Like I was saying, it's in the theme of marble with pink accents. So over here I have my pink, I'm not sure what material this is. I think it could be granite or ceramic. So I also bought this from Taobao and got my ID to fix it in. And my vanity, I also wanted a lot of storage space in my bathroom as well. And my Tapware is also from Kohler. So I've got a soap dispenser here. And some drawers where I put some of my cleaning stuff. Here. And can I talk about my toilet bowl? So I got this from a brand called Resale. It's a local brand, but it's got the Jailbird flushing system. So long that they have that system, it's good. And it's a one-piece toilet bowl, which makes cleaning easier. One piece means it's one piece. So two-piece toilet bowl, like they have more like crevices where you can trap more dirt. So over here is a gas shower. So my Tapware is in gold. Who did my renovation? I forgot. Who did my renovation? I totally forgot their name. I forgot who my renovators are. Anyway, they did such a good job with the tiling. Like when you look from afar, it just looks so, I don't know, it just looks flawless to me. And even my lights, they are in gold as well. Yeah. So this is gold. And that's gold. Gold as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you my master bedroom, my other bathroom, and my office / multi-purpose room. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed my kitchen tour, and I'll put all the links where I purchased all the items in the description box. And stay tuned for the next episode where I show you my master bedroom, bathroom, and my office.